Hello, I'm Andrew Sherlock from the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland, where our AI in Manufacturing team have been working on a programme called the Data-Driven Design in Manufacturing CoLab. D3M CoLab helps manufacturers improve their productivity, competitiveness and profitability through the effective use of data science and AI. The idea is to upskill these companies' own workforces to give them the skills needed for the long term. Our programme starts with a Kickstarter workshop where we work with the company to identify what manufacturing problems they may have, what data-related projects would help fix those problems, and what employees could do those projects if they had the right data skills. The employee then enrolls on appropriate training from our portfolio of in-person or online courses and gets on with their project. Our team provides sidekick technical support so that the project is completed and delivers impact in the company. Over the last 2 years, we've upskilled more than 340 employees, supported around 120 sidekick projects in over 140 organisations across the Glasgow City region and beyond, from sectors as diverse as semiconductor manufacture to shipbuilding.